It's Mr. Flicker. Hi, Flick. Who are you there with? I know who's up on that post. Let's take a look. That's who's up there, and it's Mr. It's Mr. Pileated, I think. I thought I saw some lipstick. Yeah. Well, that's a bonus today. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Haven't seen you for a long time. No. No, I haven't seen you for a long time. Glad that you returned. Yeah, you and Pill get along. I know that. I know it. Hi, Pill. Hi, buddy. They like those suet balls. Mm-hmm. All right, yeah. All right, I'll leave you two alone. Good to see you, Flick. Good to see you. One more close-up. There he is. All right, buddy. You guys be safe.